A very good morning. This is me Nafisa. Today we are going to learn where is milk produced? From where is breast milk secreted? Where is the milk coming out from? How is milk transported from the place of production to the place of secretion? On the inside of the mature breasts are three types of tissues: connective tissue, adipose tissue, and glandular tissue. Let's learn glandular tissue in detail. Glandular tissue, or the milk producing tissue. Tissue means group of cells. So the basic cell which is producing milk is called as alveolus. Alveolus plays an important role in milk production. Alveolus is made up of a single layer of secretory epithelial cells. Group of alveolus is called as alveoli. Function of alveoli is will produce milk and store milk. Each alveoli is attached to a tube-like structure called as ductule. Milk is also stored in the ductules. One alveoli is attached to one ductule. Another alveoli is attached to another ductule. Another alveoli is attached to another ductule. Ductules are smaller, thinner tubes. A group of alveoli forms one lobule. Lobules have a network of ductules. All ductules open in duct. Duct is a bigger tube. One lobule is opening in one duct. Group of alveoli forms one lobule. One lobule is opening in one duct. Group of alveoli forms one lobule. Second lobule is opening in second duct. All these ducts will merge together to form the larger duct or the main duct. Group of lobules, that is 20 to 40 lobules, will form one lobe. Each lobe is attached to one main duct. Each lobe is attached to one main duct. There are 15 to 20 lobes which are present in each breast. So if 15 to 20 lobes are present in each breast, there are 15 to 20 main ducts. These 15 to 20 main ducts will open at the tip of the nipple. So there are 15 to 20 openings in each nipple for the milk to flow. How is milk transported from the place of production to the place of secretion? Alveolus is made up of a single layer of epithelial cells. Muscles are surrounding the epithelial cells of alveoli. Therefore, they are named as myoepithelial cells, or MEC. Myo means muscles. Muscles means will contract. When the myoepithelial cells contracts, this squeezes the alveoli. Function of the myoepithelial cells is milk secretion. Milk present in the alveoli and ductule will flow in the duct. Milk passes from the ductules to the duct to the larger duct or the main duct. These 15 to 20 main ducts will open at the tip of the nipple. So there are 15 to 20 openings in each nipple for the milk to flow, and hence the milk will flow in fine streams to the baby. This is how milk is transported from the alveoli to the nipple into the baby's mouth. One may ask, where is milk coming out from? There is no hole in the nipple. The answer is, there is no single hole, but there are 15 to 20 openings, and these openings are so small that they cannot be seen with the naked eye. Thank you so much. Stay blessed always.